Okay, let's see the fast money. Now. This game is going much too exciting. And I even have a ukulele that's even more exciting when I play. Ugh, I don't like this excitement. I wish I'm out of here. Ready? Here we go!
Ang hangin para magamit o gumana. Bola. English word na karime ng die. Die, D-I-E. Karime. English na karime ng...
Fry! As in pito.
Die. Rhymes sa die. Tie. Una mong
Tie, as in tali.
Sinabing Batangas.
There's a beach.
Startol. Part ng chicken na hindi mo kakainin.
The bone. Ay, nako! Yeah, I like this. This is plain old boring.
Gumana, siyempre at magamit siya. Bola. Ang sabi ng survey sa bola ay... Labo naman.
Few points, that's boring. Thank Lord. Tie, as in tali. Now. This is getting much too exciting. I don't even know what a startle is.
Oh, pala startol.
Boring.
Hindi mo kakainin. Ang sabi ay puwet.
Ew.
Mga puwet. Pasok na pasok.
Wow.
Ito hindi na natin nasagot eh. On a scale of 1 to 10, gaano ka kalakas mag-burp o dumighay? Sayang. Madali lang.
1.
It's okay. 71%.
Burping, that's much too exciting. I'm never doing this. If I were to answer that question, my answer will be 0. Because 0 pertains to none. Moreover, it represents being boring. As they say, have a boring day. Ugh.
Yariin ni Ator nito. Oo. Something na kailangan ang hangin para magamit ito. Balloon. Gumana. Balloon.
Correct.
English word na karime ng die.
Fry.
Die, pass. Una mong naiisip kapag sinabing Batangas. Batangas Beach.
Correct.
Ng chicken na hindi mo kakainin. Puwet, bukod sa puwet.
The dugo.
Leg. Scale of 1
Ha?
to 10, gaano ka kalakas mag-burp o dumighay?
1.
Let's go, attorney head.
Pass already because he said my.
Ting na kailangan.
MY. Okay na yan.
Siyempre, ang lobo. Ang sabi ng survey natin dyan ay... Top answer ay balloon. Nakuha mo.
Correct.
English word na karime ng die. Sabi mo...
My, as in my.
Ang survey. Meron.
Sayang.
Ang top answer ay lie. Kasinungalingan.
Sayang.
Naisip pag sinabing Batangas, ang sabi nyo ay beach.
Sinabi ko yan, there's a beach. As far as I can remember, the beach is boring. Trust me.
Yan. Part ng chicken na hindi mo kakainin. Sabi mo yung leg. Ang sabi ng survey.
Come on, you can eat that.
Yan. Ang top answer ay quit. On a scale of 1 to 10, gaano ka kalakas mag-burp? 9. Ang sabi ng survey. Alright. Ang top answer ay 5. It's okay. 100.
Oh, that's what I hate about this. Because if we get higher, things get even more exciting. Thank goodness I get the lowest score, and now it's officially boring. When someone wins $200,000, things are getting much too exciting. And good thing I didn't get that. As they say, guys, have a boring day with my boring ukulele.
Grabe, nilaan niyo yung napakahalagang oras niyo para sa amin sa 3rd anniversary. We appreciate it. Maraming salamat.